Hello everybody, I have this sectional sofa couch for you guys, and I like this a lot because not only can you have it as a couch, but you can also fold everything out and have it as a floor mat. I sort of have it in between right now where I have the couch. I took this sectional piece here and laid it down so that way, my kids can play on it, and it's perfect because it's nice and soft, and they have a little bit of a platform to put their toys and play while we all hang out, which is awesome. Now it's gonna come in 3 rolls and it's super easy to put together. It does come with an opener, a cutter. It's kind of like an envelope cutter. You wanna make sure that you use that. It should be on the little red strip on the roll. You wanna take that and use that. That way, if you use a regular knife, you might puncture through. You wanna use that. That way it's easy just to swipe down and you're not gonna cut the cushions or anything. So you wanna use that, and then you wanna let it sit for a day or two so that way it inflates, and then, and then it looks great. So it was very easy to install and put together. So this is what it looks like when it's all put together as a sofa, and I really like this spot right here. I can lay on it, take a nap, and what's nice is the back actually is cushiony, so I can use it as a headrest, not like a normal couch where there may be a piece of wood there. This is, very, very comfortable. I can definitely rest my head on it, which is awesome. Now they are very generous with the pillows. They have 5 pillows that it comes with. Now this is what it looks like all spread out. I mean, look how just wide everything goes. Our whole family could definitely, lay on here, and there's just so much room to, play games or whatever, which is really, really cool. And it has this nice, like corduroy soft feel to it. And it's nice and firm and comfortable. So what I really like about stuff like this is that it's great for guests as well. If you don't have room for like a guest room and you want to pull, out the couch for guests, this is a great option to go with because it does feel kind of like a mattress, which is really, really nice. Great for like naps as well, things like that. So I really like it for naps personally. Also, if you wanted a little table for game night, I took this piece here, put it right there, and everyone could hang around on the couch and you can play games or whatever right here. And the board just lays flat. Again, it's very firm, so you don't have to worry about, board like falling off or anything like that. So I really like that. It also has these pockets on the side, which is awesome. You can put whatever remotes you have on the side or maybe some kids' toys, something like that. Again, these are really firm. So again, they feel kind of like a mattress. So perfect to sleep on, perfect for guests. I like how they're not just flat as well. They got these right here, which gives it a nice designer look, very good quality. Overall, I'm really impressed. If you guys are looking for something that's versatile that you can lay out, but also use as a couch, then this is definitely for you. And especially if you like to take naps on stuff like this, highly recommend checking something like this out and picking one up for yourself.